everybody, my name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my online English class.
Today's lesson is about levels of language. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about levels of language. So let's recap so that we remember what we already studied. We learned that we have 3 types of levels of language. We learned that we have number 1, which is formal language, number 2, which is informal language, and number 3, which is emotive language. We already learned about number 1, which is formal language, and we already learned about number 2, which is informal language, and we said we have 3 types of informal language. We have letter A, which is colloquialism, we have letter B, which is slang, and we have letter C, which is jargon. Then we move on to letter D, which is politically correct language. So it can be used as formal language and it can also be used as informal language. Then we move on to number 3, which is emotive language. So we are still learning about number 3, which is emotive language. And we said we have 6 types of emotive language. We have letter A, which is subjectivity and objectivity. And we have letter B, which is fact and opinion. So we already learned about letter A and letter B. So if you want that information, go back to the videos that were posted before in the previous time. So we have letter C, which is denotation and connotation. Our lesson today is letter C, which is denotation and connotation. So here is a characteristic of denotation. Denotation is the strict dictionary meaning of the word. It is literal and obvious. So denotation is words that you use which come from the dictionary. So it's words that have a meaning in a dictionary. And they are literal, which means they are facts. They cannot be disputed. They are facts. They are literal and obvious. Then we move on to the characteristics of connotation. Connotation is the emotional and figurative associations surrounding a word. So connotation is an emotional or a figurative way of speaking. It is based on a person's emotion, or it is based on a person comparing something with something else, because it is not literal. It's just an opinion. Usually it is an opinion. So we have, it is what